I wanted to help you if you have bubble solution or you made bubbles but you don't have the wand. Here's a great way you can do it at home with some simple things. If you have a pipe cleaner and beads, or if you have a plastic straw, you can cut it into little pieces and use it that way. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our pipe cleaner, we're going to fold it in half, and we're going to start twisting it together. You want to twist it till you get to the end. You want to leave a loop at the end for the actual bubble wand type thing. So you can make the wand however big you want it. It can be big, it can be small, you can shape it in different ways. That's up to you. Okay, so once you do that, then you're going to want to start putting the beads or your straws down. So you just put them in. And this is a great thing to do. You can do patterns with kids. You can do blue, then red. I just have 2 colors of beads, but if you have more, do more patterns. And like just do blue and red, and you can pattern it. You can do 2 blue and then 2 red. But you fill this the whole way. It helps strengthen the pipe cleaner so it doesn't bend as easy anymore. So you might hear my niece in the background. I'm watching her today, so she did not want to help me with this. Kids can help you with this, and that way they can get the patterns. If they don't want to do it, you can do it yourself so that they have the pipe cleaner wand. All right, once you get towards the end, you need to just fold that over so that the beads don't fall off, and you have yourself a wand for your bubbles. You just put it in the solution and blow.